Vadodara was the capital city of the Gaikwad state and evolved as cultural capital of Gujarat during the times of Srimant Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad III. The great visionary Maharaja was pioneer of educational renaissance. Realizing the importance of education, he started establishing primary and secondary schools in each province in 1881. By 1936, there were 2,500 primary schools, 75 secondary schools, 26 high schools and a college in Baroda state. The Kalabhavan Technical Institute was conceived in August 1886 during a prize distribution ceremony held in the Baroda College and established in the year 1890 in the present building of Senapati Bhavan, adjacent to the University Press. To train the hand and the eye side by side with the education of the mind through the medium of local language was the modest aim of the Kalabhavan. The college had separate departments for branches of civil, mechanical and electrical engineering, fine and industrial arts disciplines like drawing and painting, architecture, photo engraving, carpentry, calico printing and many more. In 1892, the Maharaja founded an agriculture research institute as well as brought veterinary transformations. Kalabhavan served as a training college for primary teachers and also as school of commerce for a while. Thus, the faculties like education and psychology, commerce, fine arts and agriculture may all be claimed as the offshoots of Kalabhavan. Under the leadership of the first principal, Professor Tribhuvan Das Gajjar, the Kalabhavan soon came to be well known as the standard house for technical training, not only in Bombay Presidency but also in the other parts of the country. In November 1908, with the appointment of Shri C.H. Vora as the principal, Kalabhavan grew from an arts and crafts school into a polytechnic, providing a variety of diploma and certificate courses. With the establishment of the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda in 1949, Kalabhavan took its rightful place as the Faculty of Technology and Engineering in the university. The first dean of the faculty, Professor S.B. Junarkar, carried out all-round improvement in the standards of the faculty. The diploma courses were shifted from Senapati Bhavan to Kalabhavan in 1930s. In due course of time, diploma courses were again shifted to the present Polytechnic campus in 1960. Later, the Department of Petrochemical Engineering was started in the year 1969 under Indo-USSR Agreement. Other than core branches like civil, mechanical and electrical, Polytechnic also offers diploma in information technology, electronics and communications, computer and architectural assistantship. Villagers of Vadodara district are also benefited by the scheme of Community Polytechnic. The Department of Architecture has identified urban design, low-cost housing, earthquake-resistant architecture, landscape and sustainable design practices as its thrust areas. The department also offers postgraduate course in urban and regional planning. The Department of Civil Engineering is recognized auditor for environmental audit of Schedule 1 and 2 industries. It also offers value-added consultancy services in areas like calibration of flow measurement devices, rigid pavement design, and quality control work of various roads. The Mechanical Engineering Department specializes in thrust areas like computer-integrated manufacturing, turbo machines, gas turbines and jet propulsion, as well as unconventional energy sources. The Department of Electrical Engineering offers testing facilities in the area of high voltage engineering, measurements, etc. to industries in and around the city. The department is in the process of setting up the Center for Enhancement of Technical Competence and Manpower in VLSI. The Textile Engineering Department offers specialization in man-made as well as natural fibers and has thrust areas in texturizing, filter fabrics, 3D shaped fabric and novel spinning technologies. Keeping up with the need of the hour, the thrust areas for Textile Chemistry Department are eco-friendly textile, wet processing, pollution control in textile effluent, and natural dyes application. The Applied Mechanics and Structural Engineering Department has been actively serving as commercial testing laboratory for concrete structures and undertakes important consultancy projects for private sector, government organizations and industries. The Department of Chemical Engineering was the first in the state of Gujarat to offer a course in chemical engineering when the state was poised to take a giant leap in the area of refining and chemical production to provide manpower to the mushrooming chemical industries. The Metallurgical and Materials Engineering Department, apart from the usual specialization, offers post-graduation courses in welding technology with the collaboration of Larsen & Toubro Limited. A chair has been established under the auspices of Ministry of Steel to undertake research. The Department of Pharmacy is actively involved in research of drug designing by molecular modeling, development and validation of pharmaceutical processes, novel drug delivery systems, pharmacological screening and herbal technology in relation to industrial applications. The department has been made the Nodal Quality Improvement Program Center for 2012-14. The Applied Chemistry Department is actively involved in research and is a nodal center for Indira Gandhi National Open University's chemistry degree program for undergraduates. The Applied Physics Department is also actively involved in research as evidenced from the joint publications and projects from national and international collaborations with groups in India, USA, Germany, France, and Ukraine. The department also offers postgraduate courses in applied physics, nanotechnology, and solid-state electronics. The Applied Mathematics Department offers courses in the fields of applied mathematics, bioinformatics, financial mathematics, as well as scientific computing and industrial mathematics. The department has been collaborating with Oxford Centre for Industrial and Applied Mathematics and various universities in UK, Germany, South Africa, Netherlands, and USA. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering was the first department in Gujarat to offer a bachelor's and master's degree course. The department is one of the participating institutes for Project Impact, an international project jointly sponsored by the World Bank and Swiss Development Agency. The USAID Grant for Development of Irrigation and Water Management Facility ultimately led to establishment of the Water Resources Engineering and Management Institute with the thrust areas like agricultural drainage, micro-irrigation systems, climate change, and its impact on water resources. There are notable achievements in the evolution of the faculty into a center of excellence like the United Nations Development Programme for modernization of existing laboratories and for starting new courses. The TIFAC Core Center for Postgraduate Studies and Research in Pharmacy with core focus on new drug delivery systems wherein drugs can be administered to the specific cell without using conventional methods like injections and oral intake. Anchor Institute for training teachers, engineers and others associated with textile sector in Gujarat, assigned by the state government. Center of Excellence in Polymers for New Emerging Technologies by the Industries Commissionerate, Government of Gujarat. Interdisciplinary Center of Excellence in Industrial Automation with Siemens Industry Software India Private Limited. One of the major features of the faculty is the T.K. Gajjar Library, which provides access to about 1,23,000 books and journals and plenty of e-resources. The faculty helps working persons to advance their career by offering part-time diploma and degree courses. The faculty has an excellent placement record. Various MNCs as well as local companies regularly visit us for recruitment through campus interviews. We are indeed very proud of our students who organize various national level events. Prerna, the social responsibility component, is a unique initiative in the country where a platform is given to differently abled people to show their abilities through various competitions and activities. Paramarsh, the soft skill component, is an initiative to improve the employability aspects by organizing an intra-college event with the idea to lay special emphasis on soft skills for better recruitment prospects. Footprints, The technical component has evolved into a hub of activities and radical thinking in technical aspects, resulting into pioneering ideas and the spirit of innovation. The faculty has an illuminating array of illustrious alumni.
Maharaja Sayajirao University, where I studied during 67 to 69. Coming to m.s.university has been a turning point in my life. I must say that I studied IIT, I studied at many universities, I went all over the world. But one event I will recall in my life, what has been the turning point in my life, it is coming to Vadodara and m.s.university is one, which expanded my knowledge and different branches of learning, lakhs of books, and started interacting with many faculties, and that changed my worldview completely. That changed my PhD. That changed what I am doing. That changed how I am contributing to computers.
A significant contribution to the university was made by our alumni at the Silicon Valley under the initiative of Mr. Amit Shah by setting up the first of its kind fiber optic network in the university. Dr. Mantha, an alumnus of the faculty, today chairs the highest body of technical education, the All India Council of Technical Education. Whenever you see Indian cinema, do remember Kalabhavan, as Dada Saheb Phalke studied here. Whenever you see the Supreme Court building, do remember Kalabhavan, as g.b.deolalikar studied here. Whenever you transfer your data through USB, do remember Kalabhavan, as Ajay Bhatt studied here. Kalabhavan envisages becoming a model technical institute featuring signature graduate and professional programs, dynamic undergraduate population, and a highly diverse faculty that blends with the national and cultural ethos.